Hi YouTube. We recently fitted this lathe onto this bench that we built. See the video below. And I want to start off with a little project to get things moving. Every time I need to take this plastic end cover off to change my gears for some screw cutting, I have to get a 4mm Allen key out of the drawer, find the end of the Allen key in this blind hole and wind both of these screws out. So what I want to do is replace these with a thumb screw. They don't need to be tight, it's just a cover. So there's the original screw. It's an M5 thread on the end. It purchases on the shoulder here. So what we're going to do is just using a piece of this bar here, we're just going to turn a piece of bar about 70mm in length. It will then purchase on the outside of the cover and we'll just be able to simply undo it with our hands. So let's give it a go. Okay, so finished making our first pieces on the new mini lathe and we've just made some thumb screws. So only needed 2 of these M5 size, but I made a mistake on the first one and the shank is not actually wide enough, so I could actually turn the thumb screw all the way into the blind hole, which would then require an Allen key, which is what we was trying to get away from. So actually this fits something on my camera tripod perfectly, so that's all good. These two came out a lot better, so I left the shank a lot bigger, the diameter of the shank a lot bigger. Also left the thumb screw bit with the knurled part on a little bit bigger as well, and these two pieces work absolutely perfectly. So a little bit of a learning curve there. I made these out of 3/8 alley bar, which probably wasn't ideal to begin with. And it was quite a long piece of bar, so it went through the headstock. I put as you can see in the previous video, I did put a center drill in, and then I used the live tail piece just to hold the end. Tried to keep the workpiece in there the whole time in the same place while I was doing it. So I cut this down to size, and then I cut the shank here to size. Then I nailed the end. Then I used the parting tool to cut it off. Then I spun it round and just finished the end off the best I could. And I've done the same on both of those. On this one actually came out quite nicely. This is just to do something else in the garage. This is just an M8 by 1.25 mil thread with a thumb screw on, and that one's come out quite nicely as well. Obviously not made out of the same pieces of material as these two. So you can see the whole video. I recorded the lathe turning it up, so if you can see anything that I've done wrong, you think I could have done something better, please just pop it in the comments below. Cheers guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.